Today, I will be repairing a Vevor 30L Ultrasonic cleaner. There seems to be intermittent problems with the heater. Tearing the unit down, I found the following. If we remove the PC boards, we find that the quick disconnect plugs all have broken solder joints. Now let's reflow those solder connections. I am using Kester, either a 60/40ths or 63/37ths mixture, tin lead rosin core solder wire. As you will notice, I try to remove the soldering iron and solder at the same time to avoid peaks, or what is commonly referred to as icicles. The solder joints look much better now. Slight bulging. Maybe slightly too much solder, but nice and shiny. Moving on to the next board. Again, we see that there are broken solder connections on this one as well. Let's make a good connection for these as well. Take your time and try not to add too much solder. Make sure that you keep the soldering tip nice and clean. I typically run my temp around 750 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Here are the quick disconnects for the PC board. We find more connectors that have broken connections. It looks like every single quick disconnect has been compromised. Here is the top side of the board, showing the quick disconnect fast ons. Again, reflow the solder connections. Try to keep the solder connections as clean as possible. You can use 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean up the flux when completed. They just keep coming, with no apparent end in sight. But, rest assured this will be over soon, and the mission will be accomplished with no casualties.
Yeah. Is that all you got to say right now? I mean, really.
Lather, rinse, repeat. What it takes to be a bench technician. So little recognition and so much backlog. Well, just saying, we are a dying breed. Maybe this video will help you to gain the confidence to do your own simple repairs.